So in the previous video, we sanded everything down, we applied some primer, and now it's about time to paint the Sporty. My goal was not to have the perfect paint. Honestly, I just wanted to change the color, give this thing a new vibe. It's a Rattlecan paint job at the end. When it looks too clean, I think it's kind of boring. Let's apply the second coat. Our base coat had time to dry a little bit. It's not too wet, not too dry. So now it's time for our clear coat.